Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Iis Hidayah Ramadhani, mahasiswa PPG dalam jabatan kategori 2. Pada siang hari ini saya akan melaksanakan praktik pembelajaran untuk uji kinerja di SMP IT Darul Fikri Bawen dengan tema naratif teks untuk mengajar kelas 9. Berikut kartu identitas saya. Terima kasih, selamat menyaksikan video pembelajaran. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm good this afternoon, yeah. Although I haven't have lunch, but yeah, I have to have a spirit to teach you. Okay. I hear that you have UKJ, right? Ujian kenaikan jus. Who has UKJ this morning? Siapa yang ikut ujian kenaikan jus pagi ini? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people? 6 orang? How is your UKJ this morning? Gimana UKJ-nya? So, biasa aja. Nervous, really nervous. And how about the result? Bagaimana hasilnya? Belum ya, not yet ya, belum keluar ya. Ya, okay. That's okay. I hope that your result in UKJ will be best, yeah, have a best result, and you can get, what is that, samir ya, dikalungi samir ya, in the last of the exam. Before we start our lesson today, let's open our meeting with basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, before I start, we have to make an agreement, ya, kita harus bikin kesepakatan di sini. When I explain something, ketika saya menjelaskan sesuatu, please everybody, you have to pay attention to me, ya. Tolong perhatikan. So you have to stay away from mouse and also the computer. Agreementnya seperti itu. I will give you time to discuss with your friends in a discussion session. So you can talk too much with your friends when you have a discussion session. Jadi boleh ngomong kalau pas diskusi silahkan, ya. Tapi kalau pas saya explain, I give the explanation, please listen to me. Okay? Is it it's the agreement? Is it clear enough? Cukup jelas ya, everybody? Okay, thank you very much. So, how about the computer? You have already turned on the computer? Sudah dinyalakan semua komputernya? Bisa semua? You can do that. Okay, and how about this text? Is it clear? Is it clear enough? Cukup jelas ya? Yeah. Before we start our lesson, I need your spirit, guys. Yeah, I need your spirit, and I really miss to hear your yel-yel angkatan again. So please, one of you lead the yel-yel angkatan.
Mainkan. Wake up, everybody, wake up, everybody, study, wake up, everybody, wake up, everybody, study, you, and, and up, and down, and up, and down, up, and down, and up, and down, we are the next level, yeah, and the next generation, next level, yeah.
Yeah, okay, please give applause. What is the title of the story? So everybody, class, you have to guess what inside the box. What story inside the box? So inside the box there is a picture. Yeah, there is a picture about the Indonesian story. So based on the clue, you will or you have to guess what the story is about. Can you guess it? What is it? Folktale comes from Indonesia. Huh? Buto Ijo. How do you know it's Buto Ijo? Ini ya. The third clue, it comes from Central Java. Candi. Candi. And how about the title? Title. What is the title of the story? So I need the title. Prambanan? Are you sure? Roro Jonggrang? I don't know. Okay, let's continue ya. Kita lanjutkan dulu ya. Dan jawab Roro Jonggrang. Is it? So what is the story? Prambanan. 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 Let's see. Jadi apa? One of the character is Bandung Bondowoso. Berarti apa ceritanya? Iya, tentang Prambanan atau the story of Prambanan Temple, ya. The story of Prambanan Temple. Okay, beside Prambanan, do you know another story comes from Indonesia which is about folktale atau cerita rakyat? Ada yang tahu? Bawang putih dan bawang merah. Okay. Any other story? Yes. Malin Kundang. Okay. Next. Timun Mas. Very good. Any other story comes from Indonesia? Keong Mas. What is your favorite? Manakah favorit kalian? Jadi semuanya itu. Three Little Pigs. Three Little Pigs. Any other? Ada yang punya? Peter Pan? Okay. Salma, what is your favorite? What is your Joko Tingkir? No, it's not Joko Tingkir, right? Yeah, okay. Papa, what is your favorite folktale? What we are discussed before? Apa yang sebelumnya kita diskusikan tadi? Apa? Apa ya kira-kira ya? It's kind of text ya, tentang teks. Teksnya itu genrenya apa? Kalau kemarin kalian belajarnya genrenya tentang procedural. Ya, kalau sekarang kira-kira tentang apa? Text tells about the story, yang menceritakan tentang apa? Tadi sudah ada jawabannya loh. Folktale. Okay, one of the genre atau one of the example is folktale. Salah satu contohnya adalah folktale atau cerita rakyat ya. But the text that we want to learn this afternoon is that narrative text. Yeah, so narrative text. We will learn about narrative text. Okay, everybody. We will learn about narrative text, and for this lesson, you will work in group again. Kalian akan belajar dalam grup lagi, and in your group work, at first you will read about the story about the legend of Prambanan Temple. Yeah, I think all of you already know about the story of Prambanan Temple, but in Indonesia ya, dalam bahasa Indonesia kan ceritanya. Now, yeah, in this lesson you will read it in English, and after that you will discuss about some of the questions related to Prambanan Temple, and I will explain about the narrative text. And the last of the meeting, yeah, you and your group will be demonstrate how to tells a story to the audience. Kalian akan menceritakan ya tentang salah satu narrative text dengan cara puppet show. Dengan cara apa? Puppet show ya, pertunjukan wayang. Seperti itu. So today what we are going to do is that ya, yang akan kita pelajari adalah hal tersebut. So team one, the leader is Orlin. Okay, the leader is Orlin, Zala, Salma, and Zahra. So you become one group. Team 2 or group 2, Tafta, you are the leader, and your member is Septi, Vida, and Laila. Okay, group 3, Hafsah, your group are Hulwah, Kesha, and Aurel. Have you already open it? Sudah dibuka semuanya? Ya, tampilannya akan seperti ini. It's about the legend of Prambanan Temple. What you need to do, guys, class, please pay attention first. Perhatikan dulu, ya. Grup berapa ini ya? Group 6, please pay attention first. Perhatikan dulu. What you need to do, okay? What you need to do in LKPD 1, ya, is that you have to read the text. Silahkan dibaca dulu teksnya, and then understand it, dipahami teksnya. And what you need to do with the blue table, apa yang harus kalian lakukan dengan tabel yang berwarna biru? Write down the difficult words. Silahkan ditulis kata-kata yang sulit apa. Ya, you can use Google Translate if you have a difficulty in translated this text. Ya.
She did not want to marry Bandung as he had killed her father. On the other side, she is afraid of Bandung.
Okay, thank you very much. Give applause to Cindy and also Iza. You can sit down. Until now, the temple with Roro Jonggrang statue is still standing in Prambanan area, Central Java. The temples built by Bandung Bondowoso area, now called Sewu Temple, or the Thousand Temple. In Javanese, Sewu means 1,000. So that's the story, itu ceritanya. I think that you have already know, sudah tahu ceritanya seperti itu. Okay, is there any questions about this story? You interested about the story? Tertarik tidak dengan ceritanya? Atau lebih suka yang Three Little Pigs and any other thing? If you have already know about the story, please do LKPD 2. Silakan dikerjakan LKPD 2. So you have to, you need to answer the questions based on the text. Silakan dijawab pertanyaannya sesuai dengan teks yang tadi sudah kalian baca. Kira-kira berapa karakter yang kalian temukan di situ? 3. Who are they? Siapa aja? Roro Jonggrang, and then Bandung Bondowoso, Prabu Baka. Who is Prabu Baka? Father of Roro Jonggrang, ya. Tadi ada yang bertanya siapa sih Prabu Baka gitu ya. Pada di situ sudah disebutkan bahwa dia adalah ayahnya Roro Jonggrang. Grup 6. Grup 6, perhatikan dulu ya. Kesusahan nggak mau hadap sini, silahkan hadap sini dulu. Ya. Nanti lagi ya, dilanjutkan nanti. It's okay. And what is the purpose of the story? Apa itu purpose? Tujuan. Tujuannya untuk apa? So when you tell a story to your brother or sister, ketika kalian membacakan cerita kepada siapa? Adik kalian, tujuannya adalah untuk apa sih? Biar tidur? Very good, hiburan. Ya, so the purpose is to amuse the reader or ya, untuk memberikan hiburan. Not give information, bukan memberikan informasi, tapi untuk memberikan hiburan ya, betul ya. To amuse the reader, untuk memberikan hiburan kepada pembacanya. Jadi purpose-nya itu ya, bukan memberikan informasi, bukan supaya tidur, itu juga enggak ya. Tidur itu nanti bonusnya ketika kalian membacakan cerita. Very good. What have we learned from the story? Apa yang kita pelajari dari cerita Roro Jonggrang? Apa yang dipelajari? We have to work hard. Kita harus bekerja keras. Kenapa harus bekerja keras? Biar enggak think long. Pikir panjang, bahasa Inggrisnya apakah think long? Think long ya. Ya ini pasti nyarinya di Google Translate. Ya, you have to think more about what you have to do ya. Harus berpikir lebih lagi atau farther, think farther. Ya, berpikir lebih jauh, bukan think long. Everybody, if you want to say berpikirlah lebih jauh, jadi think farther ya, lebih jauh, bukan think long, berpikir panjang. Ya, don't be lie to any other people. Ya, once you lie, you will apa? Everybody will doesn't trust you. Kalau kalian bohong, berarti nggak akan dipercaya orang lain lagi. Ya, it's the moral value. Ya, not think long, but think farther. Ya, think farther about what you have to do. Apa yang ingin kalian lakukan. Atau strukturnya. Jadi setiap cerita itu ada struktur ceritanya. Gimana kalian tahu strukturnya itu apa? Ya, taunya dari mana struktur cerita itu? Kalian bisa read that material with the second link. Jadi sekarang silahkan baca materi dulu di link yang kedua. shorturl.it FIK. Genre itu apa sih ya? Jenisnya, jenis-jenis ceritanya itu ada fairy tales. What is fairy tales mean? Apa? Pengantar tidur, atau bisa jadi itu cerita peri-peri gitu ya. Cinderella is included fairy tales ya, termasuk fairy tales. Ada Snow White, Tinkerbell, ya. Dan histories. Histories itu apa? Misteri, ya, misteri. Dan science fiction itu termasuk genre dari narrative. Romance, who likes romance? And the fifth one, what did the main character do to solve the problems? Resolution, ya, pemecahan masalahnya. And the sixth one, itu maksudnya apa? Reorientation. What can we learn? Apa yang bisa kita pelajari? Group 2, is it clear? Jelas? Group 1, clear? Okay, pay attention. This is the last LKPD, ya, LKPD terakhir. Please open your table, ya, dibuka tabel yang ada isinya, mana ya, bisa. This one, okay. And what you need to do, you have to know. Sudah tahu belum apa yang harus dilakukan? Yeah, you have to stick the story based on this picture, ya. House.
Yes.
The ninth one, Haste. 4 hours the monster chased after Timon Mas. Yeah. Remembering the mother's advice, see through the first of the pouch. Itu jadi apa ya? Pouch pertamanya jadi apa itu? Hutan apa?
Hutan
Cucumber. Jadi hutan. Okay. Number 10. Just as the monster
was above.
You can come forward and demonstrate the story of Timun Emas, ya, cerita dari Timun Emas. Silahkan grup 1 maju ke depan untuk mendemonstrasikan. Another group, please pay attention. Grup yang lain silahkan perhatikan dulu. Who will be the narrator? Siapa naratornya? Arlene, okay. Are you ready? Sudah siap menyaksikan pertunjukan wayangnya? Okay, if you are ready, please welcome the first group with Timon Mas story. Please give applause.
His tale brings us to the mystical island of Java, Indonesia. There was a widow named Mbok Srini that lived alone on her farm. The widow was a kindly woman and she was overwhelmed by loneliness and longed to have a child by her side when her loneliness became too much to bear. Mbok Srini decided to pray to Buto Ijo for help. Buto Ijo was a monstrous ogre who lived on the outskirts of the village and was known to occasionally grant wish to people. The monster offered to grant Mbok Srini wish at a terrible price.
When the child turns 6 years old, you will return half to me to become my meal, he said.
Deep sighed to condition. The deep-set woman agreed to his demand. The giant then have a single cucumber seed to be planted in her farm, but he got nothing. Hey, for horse, the monster cast after Timon. Timun Emas and Buto Ijo steadily getting closer. Remembering her mother active, she threw the first of the pouch bag of cucumber set and at the monster. Fins of cucumber magically sprang from the earth, blocking Buto Ijo paths.
Thank you, Group 1. You can go on your seat again. GOODGOB. Can you give a conclusion? Berikan kesimpulan apa yang sudah kita pelajari hari ini. What we have learned this afternoon. Apa yang sudah dipelajari tadi? Roro Jonggrang it's a story. Nah, jenis story-nya itu apa tadi berarti? Narrative text ya. Narrative text. What is the social function? What is the purpose? Apa tujuannya? Ya, menghibur in English apa? Entertain or to amuse the reader ya, to amuse the reader or entertain the reader. Yeah, okay. So, what you feel in this lesson this afternoon? Apa yang kalian rasakan dalam pembelajaran siang ini? What you feel? So happy. Why do you so happy? Because you can see a puppet show ya, bisa melihat wayang ya, Timun Emas, Buto Ijo, and also Mbok Srini. And also look at your friends perform in front of the class. Okay, very good. Any other feeling atau feeling yang lain selain happy? Do you understand or the lesson is clear enough? Apakah cukup jelas dengan materinya? Yes, okay, thank you very much. Yeah, so that's all that I want to share to you. Itu yang ingin saya share ke kalian about a narrative text. Please do your homework, and to do your homework you can open the link, and the link will be given to you after this class ya. Linknya akan diberikan setelah kelas ini ya. Don't forget to do your homework. Okay, class, is there any questions? Adakah pertanyaan related to the material? No? No, there is no questions ya. Okay, if there's no questions, let's close our meeting together. I need one of you to lead the prayer. Silahkan pimpin doanya. Ya, silahkan dipimpin doa sebelum kita pulang. Silahkan dipimpin doa dulu. Everybody please get ready to pray. Ya, siap untuk berdoa. And Orlin please lead the prayer.
Kita berdoa. Ya Dun diangkat, Rasul diturunkan. A'udzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wal asri innal insana lafi khusr illa alladziina aamanu wa 'amilus solihati wa tawassaw bil haqqi wa tawassaw Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik.
Okay, thank you class. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.